If the y-intercept is 4 and the slope of line is 1/5, what is the x-intercept of the same line? So let me remind you with equation of the line. This is y is equal ax plus b. What else? A is slope, and b always tell us the y-intercept. So b in our example is 4. And we have also given the slope a is the slope. So we have that a is equal 1/5. What else? When we substitute a and b, we will have equation of our line 1/5x plus 4. One more time, y-intercept is always b when we have equation of line. Slope, we have given that this is 1/5, so I just substitute a and b. And now we have to find what is the x-intercept of the same line. X-intercept. Let me draw xy plane. When we have x-intercept, so we have point on x-axis. First coordinate, let's put that this is x1, and the second on the x-axis is always 0. So in this example, our unknown is x1 and y coordinate is 0, always on the x-axis. This is our y, the second coordinate. So we can substitute to our equation y by 0. When we pass x-axis, the second coordinate of point by which our line pass is always 0. So we can write that y is equal 0. So we will substitute y by 0. So we have 0 is equal 1/5x plus 4. Our unknown is only x. When we calculate this x, we will have first coordinate of point by which our line pass. So let's move 1/5x to the left side, so it will be negative 1/5x is equal 4. Now, because we have multiplication to find x, I would divide both sides by negative 1/5. So we can reduce 1/5 negative, and we have x is equal 4 divided by negative 1/5. How we divide? When we have fraction, we have to copy first number, change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction. So negative sign, of course, we have to copy, and we will have 5/1. So this is equal, positive times negative is negative, 4 times 5 is 20/1, so this is negative 20. We found the x-intercept of our line. X is negative 20. This is my solution. If you want to write coordinates of this point, so it will be negative 20 and 0. This is my solution.